Just here we've got some gooseberries growing up some canes, and behind them some blackcurrants. Raspberries with the canes already in place to support once they get a bit bigger. And a pear tree here. This is conference pear. Let's bring it around here so you can see how they're trailing it. And it'll get a lot more fruit if it's horizontally trained rather than vertically trained. Sometimes you do get a bit of blackening of the leaves, but that's not fire blight, it's just either too much water or stress through a frosty wind. If it's fire blight, it'll be a lot more spread over quickly, but if you're concerned, well, what I would do is just pinch out the leaves anyway if they're blackened. And we've got various red currants and black currants as well, just in this section here. So you can see the spacing and how well they're doing as well. And they're mixed in some, we've got a mixture of tulips and daffodils around the edges as well. And just here we've got some more red currants and black currants growing. A bit more closer spaced together with some garlic chives and some regular chives as well around, which I've been told stops certain pests attacking the currant trees or plants.